From carefully sourced raw materials to advanced automated bottling lines, this is the complete industrial journey of Pepsi. In the next few minutes, we follow every precise step that transforms simple ingredients into one of the world's most recognized beverages. Corn enters the wet milling plant. Starch is extracted for sweetener production. Centrifuges separate pure starch. Clean raw material is prepared. Enzymes convert starch into glucose. Sweetener processing begins. Glucose becomes high fructose corn syrup. Controlled sweetness is achieved. Syrup is concentrated in evaporators. Stability is improved.
Increasing feed pressure to optimize separation. Vortex is stable, transitioning to reactor.
Sweeteners are stored in sealed silos. Quality is preserved. Liquid syrup moves to stainless tanks. Hygiene is maintained. Water enters the treatment system. It forms the beverage base. Sand filters remove particles. Clarity improves. Carbon filters remove odors and chlorine. Taste neutrality is protected. Reverse osmosis purifies the water. Dissolved solids are removed.
Verifying secondary valves. Gaskets and containment look good. Pump skid is ready.
Lab tests confirm water quality. Safety standards are met.
The technician syncs his valves for backwash, with sight glasses showing particulate capture, transitioning to the activated carbon column.
Caramel color is added. Signature appearance is created. Phosphoric acid is precisely dosed. Acidity is balanced. Flavor concentrate is blended. The core taste is formed. Caffeine is measured and added. Consistency is ensured. PLC systems monitor mixing. Automation controls accuracy. Agitators blend ingredients evenly. Uniformity is achieved. Syrup transfers to holding tanks. It awaits carbonation.
Injection complete, ppm is stable, confirmed, logging to batch records.
Brix levels are measured. Sweetness is confirmed. Samples undergo microbiological checks. Safety is protected. Clarity and solids are analyzed. Quality is assured. CO2 is stored under pressure. Carbonation supply is secured. The beverage is chilled. CO2 absorption improves. CO2 is injected. Effervescence forms. CO2 levels are measured. Consistency is maintained. PET preforms are molded. Bottle bases are created. Preforms expand into bottles. Final shapes are formed. Aluminum sheets form cans. Precision shaping occurs. Cans receive protective coating. Internal safety is ensured. Plastic caps are molded. Tamper safety is built in. Bottles are rinsed. Cleanliness is secured. Bottles move to fillers. Lines operate in sync. Counter-pressure filling begins. Carbonation is preserved. Cans are filled and sealed. Pressure integrity holds. Bottles are capped tightly. Leakage is prevented. Laser codes are printed. Traceability is enabled. Labels are applied. Branding is finalized. Cameras inspect each unit. Defects are removed. Multi-packs are shrink-wrapped. Packaging is secured. Robots palletize cases. Speed and precision increase. Pallets are stretch-wrapped. Transport stability is ensured. Goods enter automated storage. Inventory is organized. Batch data is digitally logged. Tracking is active. Forklifts move pallets. Safe handling continues. Trucks are loaded. Distribution starts. Documentation is verified. Compliance is confirmed. Security seals are applied. Shipment integrity is protected. Truck refrigeration is checked. Temperature control is ensured. Routes are scheduled digitally. Timely delivery is planned. Trucks depart the plant. Products head to market. Distribution centers receive pallets. Sorting begins. Barcodes are scanned. Inventory updates instantly. Retail trucks are loaded. Local delivery proceeds. Stores receive shipments. Careful unloading continues. Backroom storage organizes stock. Freshness rotation is maintained. Bottles enter refrigerated displays. Cooling enhances appeal. Shelves are stocked neatly. Visibility increases. Coolers are filled with Pepsi, ready for purchase. Prices are displayed clearly. Buying decisions are supported. Lighting highlights packaging. Brand presence strengthens. Customers browse the aisle. Product choice is available. A customer selects a chilled bottle. Purchase intent is clear. The bottle is scanned at checkout. Sale is completed. The cap twists open with a fizz. Fresh carbonation releases. Pepsi pours over ice. Bubbles rise visibly. The drink settles in the glass. Effervescence remains active. The customer takes a sip. The process fulfills its purpose. The empty bottle enters recycling. Responsible disposal begins. Plastic is sorted at facilities. Materials are separated. Bottles are shredded into flakes. Reprocessing starts. Flakes become plastic pellets. Raw material is regenerated. Wastewater is treated safely. If you value detailed industrial documentaries like this, subscribe to stay connected for more in-depth production stories.